In this video, we will talk about 2 ways to modify your planogram. Begin by navigating to Machine Authority, then Machines. From here, look for your machine or filter your search for machines online, as Internet is required to modify planograms. Click the Details button and scroll down to view your on-sale products list. This list represents the 17 products in the cooler ready to sell. If you scroll down, you can see a list of unlisted products which can easily be made ready to sell. To remove a product from the On Sale list, click Remove from Shelf to the right, then confirm by clicking the Remove from Shelf button. Products can take up to 10 minutes to delist depending on internet connection and the number of products selected. To refresh, you can click the blue search button next to the barcode field. Next to the product table name, you will see a Batch Operation button. To add or remove several products simultaneously, multi-select the products. Then, click the Batch button at the top of the list. This will transfer products to the other list within 10 minutes. The second method to modifying planograms is to navigate to Product, then Planogram, and deploying an existing or newly created planogram to your machine by clicking the orange Deploy button to the right and search for your machine by location. Here, you can also multi-select machines to batch deploy a single planogram. Lastly, click Confirm Deployment at the top. To find more information on our system, please feel free to view the VMS documentation sent to you by your representative. Thank you.